call Masaya. Masaya is the lady that she makes food for the family. And make food. Fresh food. She cleans, she's prepared and everything. And now we're going to make fresh pasta. The pasta we're going to cook. She made already. She made already some orecchiette for us. And we're going to teach you how to make fresh pasta. So we have a big difference between fresh pasta, homemade pasta, and handmade pasta. Our end, they do a miracle. You can just show you how to make the dough. Right now we are talking about one of the most poor people pasta, but this is one of the most healthy pasta because they use no eggs, no salt, nothing. Just flour and
Wow. Oh, I never heard of pasta without
eggs. Too much eggs, too much salt, too much sugar. It's like for sale restaurants, Ruby restaurants, we send some flour there and they make like running flour pasta. Okay, Pasqualina, she's gonna make the miracle of pasta. Simple. We use a white flours, a little bit of pudding flour. You want to smell it?
Yeah, you know,
Fast. So easy, water and flour. Pasqualina, right? The water is going to be not very hot, not very cold. Simple.
Peppe, vuoi far pasta per 4 persone?
E anche qualcuno di là, io non so So, no, se facciamo vedere Francesco, ok. So, our ends, we talk about ends. We have to understand the difference between commercial pasta, industrial pasta, homemade pasta, but you have handmade pasta. Handmade pasta. This pasta we have. We don't have machine, we don't have nothing. And our end, talking about flour and food. Nico, Pasqualina, she's doing, you can make different kind of pasta. Now she's making orecchiette. So like I said, she are not using machine. Our machine are the ends. So what she did actually, she make, in a few minutes we had the flour here, and we just add here dough. That's the dough. Normally we let you rest a little bit, but we did. And first thing you want to do, you want to make a grissini. You know the grissini, the bread grissini?
Yeah, the breadstick, yeah.
Oh, breadstick, exactly.
Yes.
Oh, with this technique, you can make like a different type of pasta. Now she's making orecchiette. That's a typical pasta from Apulia. Orecchiette, they are pugliese. But I go like this, and I make orecchiette. Who wants to make an orecchiette? You want to try?
They do, they want to try.
Who wants to try?
Sure.
Orecchiette. Okay, come this way. So, this way. Incredible. So, right pasta with right salt. One finger cavatelli pasta e fazzullo. Because the beans, he wants to go inside. Look at this. You got olive, fagioli, entra dentro. Inside. Cavatelli 2 finger e cavatelli 3 finger. Why? 2 finger, pomodoro e cacio di cotta. Look, 2 finger. Cavatelli 3 finger or 4 finger with vegetables. So you can make. What happened? The sauce goes inside. So let's call Miraggi. Why?
No. Oh, in the water.
And then one day I tried with pasta, so I can make pasta with pasta. I got one spaghetti and I got the scialatelli, short one, long one, and I go like this. Look, just like a miracle. See? That's a scialatelli. Making pasta pasta. Eccolo qua, cialatelli. We start 10 minutes ago. I say we start 10 minutes ago with a food people. We have just a little bit flour and water. So no eggs, no salt. Eggs, too much eggs is bad for you. Salt is not good. Hypertension, like they say in the States. In American people, they eat so salty that they kill themselves. I don't put in my restaurant at the table salt. Because salt, it's something you can add, you cannot take it over. But I see some people, they go to a restaurant, they put salt without tasting. You know, how you can do that? So, natural salt, because every fruit, every good product, it's got salt inside. So what's the miracle? I got a dough here with a water and a flour, and I go like this. Look, put a little bit of flour, the way it doesn't stick.
Does anybody want more chips? No, thank you.
Chips.
Peppe Zullo, that's semolina.
Semolina, that's the Senatore Cappelli, that's the boiling flour. So I got this dough here. Now I want to make tagliolini. So my hand is the tools, and I measure like this. You have to watch out, don't cut your hand. And you go like this, look at it. Tagliolini.
Oh wow!
Che velocità!
Tagliolini.
Oh.
Beautiful is that?
I can make a little semi-large tagliatelle.
I'd like fettuccine.
Normally we put it.
Fettuccine is like this, look. That's fettuccine. I can make lasagna.
Lasagna.
Oh, lasagna. And then you can cut them like, if you make them your own.
You're like a celebrity.
Different visualization.
Pappardelle!
Pappardelle.
Oh la la!
Pappardelle o mal tagliati.
That's a big on something.
Oh my God.
Big on cheese.
If you make the chicken,
Paccardelli con cinghiale. And Antonio Reynolds make a miracle. It's called the miracle of the figs. Try it. So like I said, with a little bit flours, we have burning flours. We make like five different pasta. We make orecchiette, we make cavatelli, we make scialatelli. Cavatelli 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger. So easy. Only thing we have to use your brain and your arm.